Di mana letak bandara?
Where is the airport? Where is the airport?
Bandara terletak di pusat kota.
The airport is located downtown. The airport is located downtown.
Jam berapa bandara buka?
What time does the airport open? What time does the airport open?
Bandara buka 24 jam.
The airport opens 24 hours. The airport opens 24 hours.
Bagaimana cara ke bandara?
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
Anda bisa naik taksi atau bis.
You can take a taxi or bus. You can take a taxi or bus.
Apakah ada Wi-Fi di bandara?
Is there Wi-Fi at the airport? Is there Wi-Fi at the airport?
Ya, Wi-Fi tersedia.
Yes, Wi-Fi is available. Yes, Wi-Fi is available.
Di mana bisa menukar mata uang?
Where can I exchange currency? Where can I exchange currency?
Penukaran mata uang ada di gerbang 3.
Currency exchange is at gate 3. Currency exchange is at gate 3.
Gerbang keberangkatan mana?
What's the departure gate? What's the departure gate?
Gerbang keberangkatan adalah gerbang 12.
Departure gate is gate 12. Departure gate is gate 12.
Jam berapa pemberangkatan?
When is boarding time? When is boarding time?
Pemberangkatan dimulai pukul 8.00.
Boarding starts at 8 a.m. Boarding starts at 8 a.m.
Bisa check-in online?
Can I check him online? Can I check him online?
Ya, check-in online tersedia.
Yes, online check-in is available. Yes, online check-in is available.
Di mana klaim bagasi?
Where is baggage claim? Where is baggage claim?
Klaim bagasi ada di Terminal 2.
Baggage claim is at Terminal 2. Baggage claim is at Terminal 2.
Apakah ada hotel dekat bandara?
Is there a hotel near the airport? Is there a hotel near the airport?
Ya, hotel bandara terletak di dekat sini.
Yes, the airport hotel is nearby. Yes, the airport hotel is nearby.
Berapa lama penerbangan tertunda?
How long is the flight delay? How long is the flight delay?
Penerbangan tertunda selama 2 jam.
The flight is delayed by 2 hours. The flight is delayed by 2 hours.
Bisa upgrade kursi?
Can I upgrade my seat? Can I upgrade my seat?
Ya, upgrade tersedia.
Yes, upgrades are available. Yes, upgrades are available.
Di mana lounge bandara?
Where is the airport lounge? Where is the airport lounge?
Lounge ada di lantai 2.
The lounge is on the second floor. The lounge is on the second floor.
Bisa beli asuransi perjalanan?
Can I buy travel insurance here? Can I buy travel insurance here?
Ya, asuransi tersedia.
Yes, insurance is available. Yes, insurance is available.
Apa kode bandara?
What's the airport code? What's the airport code?
Kode bandara adalah JFK.
The airport code is JFK. The airport code is JFK.
Apakah ada barang hilang?
Is there lost and found? Is there lost and found?
Ya, barang hilang ada di Terminal 1.
Yes, lost and found is the Terminal 1. Yes, lost and found is the Terminal 1.
Bisa parkir mobil?
Can I park my car here? Can I park my car here?
Ya, parkir tersedia.
Yes, parking is available. Yes, parking is available.
Berapa biaya parkir?
How much is parking? How much is parking?
Parkir dikenakan biaya $20 per hari.
Parking costs $20 per day. Parking costs $20 per day.
Apakah ada ATM?
Are there ATMs? Are there ATMs?
Ya, ATM ada di dekat gerbang 5.
Yes, ATMs are near Gate 5. Yes, ATMs are near Gate 5.
Bisa beli kartu SIM?
Can I buy a SIM card? Can I buy a SIM card?
Ya, kartu SIM tersedia.
SIM cards are available. SIM cards are available.
Apakah ada apotek?
Is there a pharmacy? Is there a pharmacy?
Ya, apotek ada di Terminal 3.
Yes, pharmacy is at Terminal 3. Yes, pharmacy is at Terminal 3.
Bisa minta bantuan?
Can I get assistance? Can I get assistance?
Ya, tanyakan kepada staf bandara.
Yes, ask airport staff. Yes, ask airport staff.
Apakah ada restoran?
Are there restaurants? Are there restaurants?
Ya, restoran ada di lantai 3.
Yes, restaurants are on the 3rd floor. Yes, restaurants are on the 3rd floor.
Bisa simpan bagasi?
Can I store my luggage? Can I store my luggage?
Ya, penyimpanan bagasi tersedia.
Yes, luggage storage is available. Yes, luggage storage is available.
Apakah ada mushola?
Is there a prayer room? Is there a prayer room?
Ya, mushola ada di dekat pintu gerbang 2.
Yes, prayer room is near gate 2. Yes, prayer room is near gate 2.
Boleh merokok?
Can I smoke here? Can I smoke here?
Tidak, merokok dilarang.
No, smoking is prohibited. No, smoking is prohibited.
Apakah ada kursi roda?
Are there wheelchairs? Are there wheelchairs?
Ya, kursi roda tersedia.
Yes, wheelchairs are available. Yes, wheelchairs are available.
Bisa isi baterai ponsel?
Can I charge my phone? Can I charge my phone?
Ya, stasiun pengisian ada di dekat gerbang 1.
Yes, charging stations are near gate 1. Yes, charging stations are near gate 1.
Apakah ada informasi wisata?
Is there a tourist information? Is there a tourist information?
Ya, informasi wisata ada di Terminal 4.
Yes, tourist info is at Terminal 4. Yes, tourist info is at Terminal 4.